Alright guys, you are welcome again to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to get a USA bank account here in Nigeria to receive foreign currency. How about that? I know you would love to hear this update, okay? Because part of the things that many persons are looking for is a way they can receive their money, their foreign currency outside Nigeria. They want to receive their dollar, they want to receive their pounds, they want to receive their euro. Alright, so but in this particular video, I want to show you how you can get your dollar USA bank account here in Nigeria. Okay, so if today is the first time you come to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever new video like this are posted. Alright, so without wasting much time, there are different platforms that allows you to get a foreign bank account here in Nigeria. But the one I will be recommending to you is very reliable because one of the things I love about them is that if the black market, if the dollar rate in Nigeria is currently less located as of now, the dollar rate is about 1.5 to 1.6 currently. So it means that if you receive your dollar, you will be paid in that same in that same value. All right, the same value that the market is giving out. All right, unlike other platforms whereby they will tell you they cannot give you that particular rate. All right, but this one will allow you to have that rate that is given in the black market. All right, so the name of the site is called GPay. All right, it's called GPay. If you come to the site now, if you come to the site, I'll quickly show you that. I'll quickly show you that. All right, so the name of the site is called GPay, GPay Africa. All right, GPay Africa. This is it here, GPay Africa. Good. This is the GPay Africa. So what you do is once you come to this particular site, you come to this place and click on create account. All right, click on create account. You can see where it says how will you like to use GPay? As I'm a freelancer, meaning that if you're a freelancer, simply means somebody that works for foreign company whereby you want to receive your payment. All right, you can say I'm a freelancer or I want to create a company account, but most of the time I prefer working with a freelancer. All right, you are self-employed under which country? I'm in Nigeria, so that is that. So I'll click on continue. All right, click on continue. Then once you come to this part, every of the sites on my YouTube channel, I will always tell you to use the legit information. So on this part now, put a valid email address. Put a valid email address. So once you put it there, then you click on continue. All right, so let's just say I put email address and you click on continue, because why I'm saying this is that they will need to verify your information, your name. You will need a means of identification, which can either be your BVN, your NEPA bill, international passport, driver license. They will need all these things to verify your information, because once it's come to the issue of payment, people are very careful. People are very careful. So they don't just want anything mago for the site. So that's why they are taking their time to make sure that every information you are giving them is very legit. So if you are signed up on their site, you need to put in your real name. You need to put in your real name, your real phone number, your date of birth, anything that will know that will make the process easy for you, because once you do that, the time for verification will not be stressful. But if you have to now be, maybe your date of birth is not complete, you are trying to form anything, your verification will not be easy and you will not be able to receive payment. All right, that is the challenge people are having. All right, so once you come to this part, put in your information the legit way you have it in your either your NEPA bill, your valid ID card, put it the way you have it, your name the way it is on your ID card. So you put it there. So once you are done with that, you click on continue, because time will come they will have to verify those information. All right, so that's the more reason why you need to take your time and go through them one after the other. All right, so if you do that now and the process is successful, like as you can see, now let me come. This is my own dashboard. Can you see that now? This is my own, and my account has been verified. My account has been approved. All right, so if I come to, let me go to dashboard now. Can you see? This is my dollar account, this is my pounds and my euro. All right, so this is how you are going to get it if your information is approved. And below it, you can see my name here. You can see my name below it. So that tells you that this account is very active. So if I want to receive money, all I need to do is to get my, if I click on this part now, you can see it here. If I click on it, I will forward my account details, my dollar account detail to my client, and I will be paid in dollar. And the good thing about them is that I can convert my money from dollar. You can see where it says convert. I can convert my money here. Let me click on it so you see it. I can convert my money from dollar to pounds. I can convert my money from pounds to, let me click on it. So can you see that now? I can convert from dollar to pounds to euro, even to naira. Alright, let me select naira now, and I put about, can you see that now? Let me say $1. Can you see their rate here? Can you see their rate? Their rate of $1 is 1,470 naira. Can you see that now? But some of this black market will not be giving you this. They will be giving you at the rate of either 1,000 naira or 1,2. But this platform you are seeing here, this GP, they will give you at the rate you will like it. Imagine if I have like $10 here. Let's say I have $10. Can you see that now? $10 is about 14,700. All right, but some other platform will not give you this package you are seeing here. That's the more reason why I told you, when you are registering, put in your information the way you have it. If you come to this partner, you see that my name is here. Can you see my name here? So that this information you are seeing here, because it got to a time I have to upload my international passport so they can approve this particular account for me. And with this account now, I can receive money from any part of the world. All right, any part of the world I can receive my money. All right, if I want to send money, I can send money from this account here to my Nigerian dollar Nigerian account. I can send my money from, I can collect my money. If I receive my money in pounds, I can convert it to my Nigerian currency without having any stress. Okay, so all you need to do, because I will drop the link of this GPay in the description of this video. All right, click on that link. It will be the first link. Just click on it and go through the process. Please and please use your legit information. Use your real name that you have on your means of identification, because that will make the process easy for you. All right, if you go through the corny way, maybe you want to try to play smart and you have any issue, I don't have anything to do in that aspect. All right, because I'm always emphasizing it. My name is here. That is why I'm showing you this. This is my dashboard. This is my account. So also do the same thing, and your account will be approved without any stress. And when it comes to verification, you can easily apply with your international passport, driver license, or your BVN, or even your national ID card. All this card I'm saying, they can accept it. Even your voters card, if you're in Nigeria, your voters card can also be accepted. All right, so follow this process and get your own USA dollar account and start receiving your money in dollar. All right, so if you have any challenge, kindly drop in the comment of this drop in the comment section. I will respond to you all. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumb up, and if you have not subscribed, kindly do so, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you go to get quality updates whenever new videos like this are posted. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.